What's up guys, it's Theo here. Welcome back to another coding tutorial. We're back on CodeCademy today. We're working our way through Introduction to ReactJS Part 2, about halfway through, and this should be Part 13 in my video series. So we are going to continue this, and I'll show you which section we're on. It looks like we are on, let me go up, we're on Stateless Functional Components. So let's just look real quick and see. So in the last video we finished this container components, so let's knock this one out real quick. Then after that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Okay, cool. So let's get to it. So it says in the code editor, take a look at guinea pigs from the last lesson. Notice that its instructions object only has one property, render. When you separate a container component from a presentational component, the presentational component will always end up like this one render function and no other properties. If you have a component class with nothing but a render function, then you can rewrite the component class in a very different way. Instead of using React.createClass, you can write it as a JavaScript function. A component class written as a function is called a stateless functional component. Stateless functional components have some advantages over typical component classes. We'll cover those advantages in this lesson. Click on example.js to see a stateless functional component in action. So it looks like all we're doing is just, creating this object inside of here in this function. So pretty cool. Looks like both of them work. So we're going to select friend.js and we're going to rewrite the friend component class as a stateless functional component. Use example.js as a guide. Make sure to delete the original friend component class. So pretty much all we need to do is take out this and change this to function friend, and then we will grab that, and then I think that's about all we need to do. Let's just make sure to verify that that actually works for us. Alright, cool. So that worked. All we did again was just change this out to a function instead of using React.createClass method. So 2, stateless functional components usually have props passed to them. To access these props, give your stateless functional component a parameter. The parameter will automatically be equal to the component's props object, so I'm guessing it's being passed in under the hood. It's customary to name this parameter props. Read example.js to see now how it works. So you're passing in props, and then you're rendering the title. Okay, cool. Yeah. So not only are stateless functional components more concise, but they will subtly influence how you think about components in a positive way. They emphasize the fact that components are basically functions. A component takes 2 optional inputs, props and state, and outputs HTML and or other components. You will be seeing a lot of stateless functional components in the next React course. Open guineapigs.js. So after you divided the guinea pigs into guinea pigs and the guinea pigs container, guinea pigs was left with only a render function. That means that guinea pigs can be written as a stateless functional component. Rewrite the guinea pig component as a stateless functional component. Make sure to delete the original guinea pigs. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get rid of this. Render method. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We're going to call this function. And then we're going to get rid of that. Call that. And then that should. What am I missing here? Function guinea pigs or source equals turn. Oh, my bad. So this is going to have to be an object real quick. Turn, and then I'm guessing I'm going to make sure that's all that we need to do. We have to pass in props to it, but I think let's look real quick. Turning, so we pass in props, and source equals source. As a stateless functional component, use example. Make sure to delete the original guinea pigs class when you're done. No? Okay, hold on, let's see. Props or title equals props.title. So then we can just change this to props.source, it looks like. source. It should work. Let's see. Function guinea pig, which takes in the props. Function guinea pig takes in the props of our title equals props.source, and then we return oh, actually, I think we don't even need that anymore. So we could say props, and then in here, the props.source, and then we can run it. I feel like it's just messy, but let's see if this works for us. No? What is the deal? Function guinea pig, which takes in props. Okay, and then delete the original guinea pigs. Okay, return div props.source. I guess I'm sort of confused. Let me restart this real quick. I want to reset exercise, and let me look. So let's write our method again. So let's say function guinea. Okay, I don't know how I got that right, but okay, so function guinea pigs equals, all we're going to do is return an object with this inside of it. And then we're going to say props.source, props, and then we take this out, and then okay, I guess that works, yeah. So yeah, I just passed in props and made it a function, and then bound the props.source, which we are getting from, actually no, I think we need, let me go back real quick. So yeah, I took out the source, but basically before here it says source equals like, I don't know, google.com/images/test.jpg, right? Something like that. Or I guess the source is being passed in. So like, I'll show you one more time. So restart it, and so basically, source is right here. This .props.source is being passed in through, I forget which file in here, but in one of these. So yeah, then we can just bind to the source. So yeah, guys. Up next, we have prop types. Learn how to use prop types to validate props and provide documentation. And then we have mounting lifecycle methods. Lifecycle methods that occur when a component first mounts to the DOM. So yeah, guys, that's it for that lesson. Looks like we are about we go back. We're about 55% through, and so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And it was a short lesson, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks.